That's slick. Welcome to Samspace81. Today we're going to be checking out a 1971 Dodge Challenger at Classic Car Liquidators in Sherman, Texas. Base price for a 1971 Dodge Challenger RT was $3,273.
Built this Hemi Coda as well. Watch it, Samspace81 if you didn't already know. Try the high beam. Yep. Signals. Yep. Yep.
The performance tape stripe was a $14.25 option.
Me and Caleb. Here it comes. All right.
This is an optional high impact color, Plum Crazy, code FC7, a $13.85 option. Code J81 rear spoiler, $34.35.
Alright.
Code A78 formal roof vinyl was a $127.50 option.
That ain't gonna fit. Can it come for a test drive?
Bucket seats were standard RT equipment. N96 shaker hood assembly, $94 option.
All right. Oh. Door shut good and tight. How are you doing today, Caleb?
I'm making it. Can drive cool cars, doesn't suck.
Good shift. It's driving good and straight. Oh yeah.
So the fuel gauge works, temperature gauge coming up, it's charging, oil pressure, all that. Tag.
Clock working.
Shaker shakes. Brakes are good.
Stock's good and straight. You're not fighting with it. Excellent power.
Downshifts well, shifts around 5,000.
Good torque.
D34 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Code W21 Rallye type wheels, $54.25 option.
A lot of Mopars are real rattly, as you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the dash is tight in it. It's right. riding good and smooth. Man, this is a nice car. Wow. Man, this thing's tracking straight as an arrow. Look at that. That's crazy.
Don't even need the hands. Downshifts really good.
I don't think I even want to come back. This thing is nice. Yep, downshift's good. Horn works. Lights and signals work. Nice lengthy test drive. We went several miles up the road here.
Code R32, dual rear seat speakers, $25 and a nickel.
You say this 71 was built by a local Mopar expert shop, Schnitker's, is that right?
Schnitker's Body Shop, yeah.
It's probably got like a 323 gear ratio.
Yeah, I think it's got, I think it actually has like 390s, if I remember right.
Code A31, the 391 High Performance Axle Package, was available at a cost of $75.25. It consisted of the 391 axle ratio, sure grip differential, a 7-blade torque drive fan, and a 26-inch high performance radiator with fan shroud. Fired up. More than 27,000 Challengers were built in 1971. Only 1,078 Dodge Challenger RTs were spec'd with the 340 4-barrel V8.
Whew. Put that bad boy on the lift. Whew. Let's look under her skirt. You know what I'm saying?
watching my classic car videos. It means the world to me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you very much.